She was committed to showing up before and did not show up. The real question is whether she tries to hide behind privilege or whether she's forthcoming with the committee.
Yeah, it seems like she's basically trying to say, you guys don't make a decision. I'll be there. We don't have to go through all this. Yo, we know. Stop the cap. She's not going to show up.
So Willis's attorney says that she will, in fact, appear next week voluntarily. And, of course, the question then is going to be to what extent she actually answers the questions that are submitted to her by the Senate members of the committee. Her attorney will be at her side offering her advice on whether or not to answer particular questions. We are live at the Capitol tonight. Doug Richards, 11 Alive News.
And I'm sure you're going to be following that story closely for us, Doug. We appreciate it.
And we're going to hear a little bit more from Fani Willis's attorney here, the former governor, because it gets interesting in what he's saying. I do not have any faith that she's going to show up. Maybe she will surprise us. If she does, we're going to be covering, of course, on this channel. And if y'all haven't yet, make sure you go subscribe to the new channel, Jury of Your Peers, where you'll be able to watch the full live stream of that there as well. Check this out from Atlanta News First. We're going to hear from Roy Barnes again on Facebook.
Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis will testify before a panel of state senators investigating her now defunct election case against President Donald Trump. They've been trying to get her in for more than a year now, but the DA claimed they didn't have the authority. On the same day the case was on the docket of the state Supreme Court, the DA said, I'll come to testify. It was a stunning turnaround, and political reporter Doug Reardon is live at the courthouse to explain what happened. Doug?
You said it, Blair. It was stunning. We did not expect this to happen, and that's because District Attorney Fani Willis has been fighting subpoena after subpoena from this committee for almost a year and a half now. She has not come in as they have really wanted her to. And even though that election case was thrown out just 2 weeks ago, state senators who sit on that panel say there is still plenty to hear from the district attorney.
This is moot. This case is moot.
Former Georgia Governor and Fani Willis attorney Roy Barnes is confused. With the DA's election case being tossed out just 2 weeks ago, he's not sure.
For him to say that's moot is like, how can you say that? To say someone's conduct that happened during an indictment, during a court proceeding, doesn't matter because the case got dismissed. How can you say that? Being an attorney. Come on, Roy.
Why a panel of mostly Republican state senators still want to hear from his client.
Here you got this committee, got 3 people on this committee running for statewide office, and they're putting out fundraising, says we're going to go after Fani Willis and you need to send me $100. I mean, that's ridiculous.
For over a year, Willis has fought their attempts to haul her in for questioning, but on the day the state Supreme Court had the case before them, Willis agreed to testify. She'll do so on December 17th. It was a stunning turnaround. Barnes said scheduling and medical issues prevented him from coming in to represent her all this time.